Lucy in the Sky to come forward. Love Bomb. Love Bomb goes in. Kayla's Champ to the outside. Big Burn. Winter Smoke. Lucy English to the inside. Lucy English has gone in. Right away is the green cap. Tanzanite Queen. Big Burn is in. Winter Smoke is in. Kayla's Champ. Tropic Sun still to come forward. Full Velocity is loaded. Sheila, Sound of Warning, they're almost all in now. Tropic Sun to come forward. Petra to complete the lineup for the Magnolia Handicap. They're all set to sprint. Thumbs Up is in. Tropic Sun to settle down. And they sprinting away from that 1160 meter marker. Love Bomb began well. They mostly tracking towards the outside of the track. Winter Smoke is up there with Tropic Sun too. Down the inside, Sound of Warning ahead of Lucy English, but most of them are coming middle outside. None of them staying down the inside of the track. Sheila's racing a few lengths off them with Tanzanite Queen. Further back in the field is Thumbs Up towards their outside. Then we go back to Love Bomb, racing further back Zimbabwe. Full Velocity is about 5 or 6 lengths off the leader. They followed by Rio's Winters quite well back in the lineup. Lucy in the Sky and Kayla's Champ. 500 meters left to go. Big Burn is also in the hunt now, and Big Burn has dragged its way to the front now. Big Burn leads. From in second, Sound of Warning. Back in third is Tanzanite Queen. Further back to Lucy English, but Big Burn's gone clear. 300 meters to go. Sound of Warning is second. Then came Rio's Winter towards the outside. Tanzanite Queen and Petra. 150 to go. Big Burn. Sound of Warning comes right up to it. Sound of Warning and Big Burn to fight out the finish of the Magnolia Handicap. Sound of Warning from Big Burn. Sound of Warning is going to get home. Sound of Warning beat Big Burn. Close for third. Maybe Full Velocity ahead of Zimbabwe in fourth. Well, Grant van Niekerk is one of the top jockeys in the country. He was supremely confident when the meeting was cancelled on Saturday that he'd have a good day, but he's come back all the way here, and Big Burn was in front, was there all the way, but Sound of Warning was tracking her every inch of the way, and it's going to go down a short head here, I think. It's Sound of Warning from Big Burn in the rush down to the line, and Sound of Warning gets there for trainer Sean Terry. Sound of Warning beats Big Burn and neck, close for third. Oh, that's mighty tight. It does look maybe Zimbabwe got third, I think, on that, ahead of Full Velocity. Winter Smoke not beaten too far. Petra was further back in the field with Rio's Winter. So Big Burn, as is customary, she showed pace. Look at where they all came. They all came middle outside. None of them stayed down the inside. And Big Burn was in front, the popular favourite. But Sound of Warning comes right up to her. Big Burn runs around in the closing stages here. But Sound of Warning's got her measure for Drakenstein Stud. And well done to Grant van Niekerk and to winning trainer Sean Terry, who's won a feature race out here today. The daughter of Trippy, Sound of Warning, is out of that brilliant race mare, Siren's Call. Third place will go to number 3, Zimbabwe, and the fourth position, that will go to number 13, Full Velocity. There is a race review. Hang on to your tickets. A race review. Hang on to your tickets.
Please note, race review will keep you posted. In the meantime, number 10, Sound of Warning, passes the post first. Well done to Sean Terry. Drakenstein, of course, Grant van Niekerk. Beaten at the second, number 7, Big Burn. Third, number 3, Zimbabwe. And back and forth, number 13, Full Velocity. See a little argy-bargy in the closing stages. We'll keep you informed. Nico will have the mic upstairs.
Please note that there's a race review. Returning back to the winners enclosure for race 4, the World Sports Betting Magnolia Handicap, is number 10, Sound of Warning. Ridden by Cape-based rider Grant van Niekerk. Trained by Sean Tarry and owned and bred by the Drakenstein stud nominee Gaynor Rupert. 10, Sound of Warning, is a 3-year-old bay filly by Trippy out of the elusive Fort Mare Siren's Call. Second goes to number 7, Big Burn. Close for third, the judge gave number 3, Zimbabwe third, ahead of in fourth number 13, Full Velocity. Returning back to the winners enclosure, Sound of Warning. Sean Tarry is greeting his winning filly back to the number 1 box, but there is still a race review.